Back in the house, legends, fresh off that live stream. Winner was announced. Shout out to Dre for the silver. Congratulations again. And the Army for showing up strong. In the chat, Joseph and a few others asked about River, the Bitcoin only platform I use for clean and easy buys, guys. I promised a step-by-step setup guide. So here it is. No BS, just how us grinders turn gig fiat into sats fast. This is not financial advice, just my journey stacking the 66K dip zone. If you're pounding Uber, DoorDash, or whatever you do, Coke routes, let me know. DCA simple. Let's set it up in under 4 minutes. Here you go. Okay, legends, let's dive into setting up a River account for you guys. First off, you're going to need your driver's license, ID, or passport, okay? This is a crucial part for setting up an account. Non-KYC, know your customers, individuals, will not need it. Will need it, I meant. Certain countries do not require it, so the KYC is very important. It's like a bank. So from here, what you're going to do is set up your details. You're going to put your email address and you're going to create a password. I'll give you guys a second to go ahead and do that. Okay, after you've done that, what you're going to do is log in, and you're going to want to go straight to your email because your email is going to confirm the River exchange. And once you guys confirm that information through your email, you should be prompted to log in to River, and you should have a home screen that looks similar to this right here. Okay, once you're there, and you can see the current price, $65,929, or just went up a little bit. You'll go up here. It'll prompt you to set your security. You guys need to do this. This is important. You need to set your passwords. Make them strong. Don't put hi mom or anything. Make it super secure for yourselves. Okay? Once you're done with that, now you can go in, and what you can do is add a debit card. You could go in and add a debit card. Down here, you can get paid for direct deposits. You can set up direct deposits. You can set a percentage, just like you set up a percentage with your 401ks, if you have one. If you want 3% going in, 5%, 50%, 100%, whatever you choose, you could DCA. So that's the section that you want to be in if you want to set up direct deposit. You can set it up manually or automatically. Automatically would be right in the app here. Okay? And one of the cool things about River is they have a beneficiary plan. So if you're storing your crypto here and something ever happens, hopefully nothing happens to you, but if it does, you are protected for your family. Your family is 100% protected. You can activate the force field. It's really cool. So once you got your debit card set up, guys, what you're going to want to do is, and it's really cool, River allows you to buy with cash on the app, okay? Let's switching right out of here real fast. I'm going to log into River right here for you guys. Now, it's going to show cash right here, okay? There's $1. Once you have that, now if you want to add cash, all you do is hit this button right here and you go to it, okay? Say I want to do $5. I'm going to do that right there. Okay, we'll do 10. I'm going to add cash. Now I can buy Bitcoin. Okay? So right now, I'm going to buy $5 in Bitcoin at that price level. You see the fees on the very bottom, 0.05. Okay? So I'm going to smash buy. And there you have it. I just bought 7,400 sats. Almost. Yeah. And it's just that easy, guys. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you need a little bit more in depth, let me know. I will go 100% step by step, but I feel like I did a fairly good job. If you know how to set up a bank account, this is just that easy.